Welcome, friends, to this topic we are going to cover today, that is comparison between forced and induced drop cooling towers. So, to begin with, we have the schematics. In case of forced drop, the fan is at the bottom, it pushes the air comes in contact with the sprinkled water, which is hot water, and cools it. And in turn, it becomes hot and goes through the drip delimiter and goes out of the top. And the cold water is collected at the basin. When we consider the induced drop, so the fan is at the top and it sucks air. The cold air comes in due to sucking of the fan and it comes in contact with the hot water. The cold air becomes hot and moist and goes out of the top, and the cold water is collected at the basin. So the fan location, in case of the induced drop, the fan is mounted at the top, while in case of the forced drop, the fan is mounted at the bottom. The airflow direction, because induced drop creates negative pressure and the forced drop creates a positive pressure by pushing. So induced drop does some sort of sucking and forced drop does some sort of pushing. The cooling efficiency is higher due to better air-water contact. In case of forced drop, the cooling efficiency is slightly lower due to recirculation. The power requirement is lower as the efficiency is higher in case of induced drop, but in case of forced drop, the power requirement is slightly higher. When it comes to space requirement, you have to have some clearing above due to the fan at the top for induced drop, but the forced drop is very compact. Recirculation risk is very lower in case of induced drop as the fan is on the top, while the forced drop, the fan is at the bottom and it gets sucked the hot air going out. The noise level is higher as the fan is open and it is mounted at the top, while the fan is enclosed for forced drop, so the noise is lower. The maintenance is a bit harder as the fan and motor are at the top of the tower, while the fan and motor are at the bottom, so easier to access and service. Applications are for ideal for large industrial setups with open space for induced draft, while for forced draft, it is preferred in urban and enclosed environments. Thank you.